What is going on to all of my fellow YouTubers? Welcome back to the channel. What's up to the new homies? Today we're going to be looking at what might be my best game yet. This is the Brontologist. You already know what's up. It was a Queen's Gambit accepted game from yesterday. 3-minute round on Lichess. So let's just go, guys. Alright guys, so getting into it right here. It's going to be a Queen's Gambit accepted game for me. D4, D5, you know how it goes. He accepted it. I'm going to develop my knight. And currently, if you look at his position, he's protecting that pawn with his bishop. Normally, in the Queen's Gambit accepted, you're trying to snag that pawn with your light squared bishop whenever you get a chance. He develops his knight, and then he decides to move his bishop to pin the knight to the queen. But that opens up his pawn to be taken by my bishop. And now here, guys, is a trick in the Queen's Gambit that I actually missed, but it didn't really make a massive difference in this game. Queen D4 over here right next to the knight. It's going to be a check on the king, and then you can just go ahead and take the knight. I missed it, but I kind of knew what I was getting at. Brought my queen over here, and then he instantly kind of defended that. A couple moves here. He moves his knight out of the way, which opens up the B7 square for the queen. And now these moves are just crazy aggressive here. Move the knight up to a spot where it's protected by a pawn, threatening to come up and cause a lot of problems. Exactly what's going on there. Oh, he can't take it with his queen here because I would take the rook in the corner. That's what the situation was. I forget how this game went down. All of these moves are protected checks basically that I'm putting on here, and this was just a brutal beatdown after I got those moves. Looking for a lot of trades, looking for checks, just looking to slowly beat down the position here. Checks. Moved my bishop over there to kind of lock in the king. Jostling. I moved my rook around to slide it all the way over like that. Protected there. Only way you can take it is with the queen. He did it. Decided to trade 2 pieces for the queen to bring his king there. King's absolutely exposed at this point. You guys also, I have to change that, but if you look at my time, not looking good right now. 40 seconds down in the time. Just trying to work my way over, get some checks. I've got 2 passed pawns. I'm protecting one with the queen. Blunders his rook, checks. I'm pushing pawns. These were all really fast moves here. He took there, and honestly a lucky checkmate, but it wasn't too far away that I was going to pull it off. Just basically a beatdown from the beginning to end in almost a 1100 rated game, so this has to be one of my best games ever. I was super jacked about this. Super excited that the things I'm watching on YouTube are actually turning into reality in these games, and yeah, just really wanted to show you guys this one, and thanks for being here again. Like, subscribe if you guys like the content. Leave some comments if you want to see anything changed, and thanks for being here.